What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to make the best barbecue or grilled whole chicken you've ever had. Alright guys, so now that I have the fire going, and while that's going, I'm gonna season up this chicken, and we're gonna show you how to make some A1 whole chicken grilled barbecue slash whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, so this is literally everything I use, and this is the Jamaican meat seasoning, the jerk seasoning, a little bit of crushed peppers, onion powder, and minced garlic. I like using the minced garlic instead of the garlic powder. So this meat seasoning and the jerk seasoning is going to go half and half because they both have salt in it, so you don't want it to be too salty. So let's go. All right guys, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure every Caribbean household or every islander, anybody, we wash our chicken. If it's not with lime, it's with vinegar, and if it's not with vinegar, it's with both. So we use vinegar, just a little bit, to wash this chicken, and then I'm gonna peel off, the skin or some of the fat, whatnot, and get it going. Guys, so the first thing you really want to do is cut your chicken in half. Alright, so you're going to cut your chicken in half like so. Sorry. Right down the spine. Boom. So now that that's done, I like to open it up. Crack it. Hold on. Let me get something so you can see this better. Boom. Boom. Bat. So when everything goes on the grill, you just slap it down like that. Boom. Take the minced garlic. Just slather it around on that. See? And this is why I like to do it in the bowl, because it catches everything. So, like I said, I'm only doing this part so you can see it. As a matter of fact, let me do it in the bowl. So you just want to massage it. Put that everywhere. Massage everything. Nice. Now I'm doing this step by step, but you get the drift.
H3 Music.
Alright guys, so we're gonna let that sit for a while. We're gonna check this fire on this grill, which looks pretty good. That's how you want it. That's exactly how you want it. Nice and white. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spread it out. I'm gonna spread out the charcoal so it'll be evenly distributed. And then I'm gonna slap the grill on it, so that way I'll be able to get all this old grease and stuff off of the grill, so you'll be able to cook it. You know what I mean? So you want to make sure that your grill, is nice and clean. So that's why we have this, which is a grill brush, and you know, you could scrape it or brush it and get all that grease off. Alright guys, so now that the grill is prepared and the chicken is ready, I am gonna slap that bad boy on the grill, bone side down first. Okay, remember, bone side down first. Don't care what nobody tell you. It's not skin down first, it's bones. Then what I like to do is I like to take all the juices like that. So literally the only thing that's there to do now is close the lid and let it cook. See you in the next 30 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 30, maybe 40 minutes, something like that. So it's time to flip it over on the skin side. So here's what it looked like now. And you see that little char underneath? That's what I personally like. No, it's not burnt. You know, I did that for my liking. And this is what I used to flip it over. So yes, I did wash it. Boom. Alright, so here's another thing you want to make sure you do. Don't put it in the direct heat. Put it on the side where there's, you know, a minimal amount of heat, and you should be all right. Here's what it looks like on the bottom, or underneath, or whatever you want to call it. You see that? So once the top half starts cooking, you will see, sorry, let me get this out your way. You will see exactly what it looks like. So guys, we're gonna leave it for another 20-30 minutes to let it cook on the skin side down and let that meat cook thoroughly. It's just nothing like raw chicken. But after that, we should be ready to go. I'm gonna slap that famous barbecue sauce on there that we love so much. I mean, Michelle loves it that much, but I personally am a cattleman's kind of guy. That I think it's called honey gold or something like that. That gold. I love cattleman's gold. But you know, my wife is not a big fan of the gold or the cattleman's brands. So you know what I'm gonna start doing? Cutting this crap in half, and I'm gonna put half of my barbecue and half of her barbecue. All right, guys. So the chicken's actually done. Just gotta put my sauce on it, and as you can see, it's really dark outside. Well, it doesn't look that dark on the camera, but it's dark outside. And I got mosquitoes and everything out here trying to attack me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just slap that barbecue sauce on there, bring it inside, and we're gonna eat. All right, I'll show you the finished plate when we're done. Anyways, guys, here is the finished product. It looks juicy, doesn't it? Oh. So we're literally in the minute of cleaning up and cooking at the same time. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you learned how to make the best barbecue chicken you can ever have in your life.